candidates in the midterm polls in May, just as every poll held in the country, are mostly in violation of COMELEC campaign rules on posting ads in public sphere before official campaigning begins. But with 2.5 weeks left before the official campaign period kicks off, many candidates are voluntarily taking down their illegally placed ads or posts out of fear they could be disqualified by the COMELEC if they forget to act on or before March 28. Our Luisa Erispe reports on candidates who already benefited from posting illegally and are in search of legitimate yet less visible locations.
More than 2 weeks before the start of the campaign period for local candidates in the 2025 midterm elections, local officials started removing their campaign materials along roads, bridges, and other public areas, which will be deemed as illegal starting March 28. And one of the LGUs that started their dismantling act are officials from Biñan, Laguna, who voluntarily removed their materials to abide by the COMELEC rules.
Magtatanggal kami sa, Mayor, dami-dami mong streamer, aalisin ko na po yan. Papaalis ko po yan. Ililipat po namin yan sa mga private na mga bahay. Bawal pong lagyan ang mga puno. Kahit private ang puno, hindi namin pinalalagyan. Ang mga poste ng Meralco, lahat na ng poste ho, bawal ang mga public places.
Sumusunod tayo sa guidelines at hopefully kahit yung mga natitira yung maliliit na tarpaulin namin na talagang lahat po ay i-clear po natin ngayon and sumusunod tayo sa guidelines ng ating COMELEC.
According to the LGU, whether theirs or from their opponents, they opted to remove all the illegally posted campaign materials, even those from national candidates such as senatorial bets and party list nominees. The LGU explained this signifies their intent to obey COMELEC rules, and they also plan to recycle all collected materials for other purposes.
Aalis kukunin natin, shred natin yung mahahaba, ito yung pwede na pwedeng gawing mga basket, pero yung mga maliliit lang, mga 1 by 1, 1 by 2, feet, no? I-shred natin, then gagawin natin siyang component ng bricks natin.
According to the Commission on Elections, this will set an example to other candidates, as they have earlier pronounced that candidates should voluntarily remove their campaign materials if they are aware these are illegally posted and outside of the scope of common poster areas. But aside from posters, the COMELEC is also monitoring LGUs giving out assistance by way of government programs. Though such act is not yet considered as an election offense, the COMELEC reminds the public that just like posters, once the campaign period is officially underway, this may be grounds for disqualification.
Yung posters din po, wala pa rin pong prohibition, wala rin po kami pwedeng matanggal sapagkat hindi pa po sila kandidato. Sila po lahat ay aspirants pa lamang. Basta sinusunod yung guidelines, wala po tayong pagtatalunan. Pero sa kasalukuyan, wala pa pong prohibisyon mula sa COMELEC. Ang DSWT pa po ang may absolute control sa lahat ng ayuda na pinamimigay sa buong bansa.
From People's Television Network, Luisa Erispe, Balitang Pambansa.